Hi and welcome to JobPro's Datasheet tutorial. This video is meant solely for training purposes. When entering in a datasheet, you're entering in the high-level information for a customer. This is the lead part of JobPro. The first step is going to add and clicking datasheet. Once on the datasheet, you'll begin to type in the lead's information. Once here, the datasheet name should be unique to each individual entry. A good way to do this is by listing the name of the job and the address, i.e. Smith John 123 2nd Street. If the customer already exists in your database, you can click and begin typing their name. If they don't already exist in your database, simply click Add New Customer. A pop-up window will show up where you can type in the contact information, their phone number, and an email if necessary. If the contact information and customer information match, you can simply click Copy from Contact. What this is going to do is bring over all of the basic information from the contact name to the customer name. If this is the information that you need, simply click the Add button. Now you've added a customer to your system. If you need to assign priority, simply click the Priority drop-down. You can select Normal, High, or Emergency. You can also change the office here. You also have the ability to assign this data sheet to a specific salesperson in your system. If you would like to keep track of your referral sources, we can add these to your system. This is a great way to see where your leads are coming from. Here, you have the ability, if the customer already has an address, to copy the address from the customer's billing location. If it's different, you can begin typing the job address in here as well. This is not required. If all of this information looks correct, simply click Add Datasheet. This is what the datasheet page looks like. You can update the statuses. Note, these statuses can be customized in your system. You can update who it's assigned to, and if you need to change the customer, you can do that here as well. These fields, priority notes, job location notes, county, subdivision, stage date, and next call date are optional. One feature that we do recommend using is the next call date. Once you set a next call date, you will get an alert sent to your email stating that you need to give this data sheet or this customer a call on that specific date. Once the date has passed, simply clear it and click Save. You can also add the address here. You can add as many contacts as necessary. If your organization has request questions that you would like to go on each data sheet, JobPro is happy to set those up for you. Request questions are the basic questions that your lead gatherer would need to ask so that they can type in that correct information. You can schedule appointments for your foreman to go out and see the job. If we had had any other bids that we've submitted for this customer, we would be able to see the most 4 recent bids that have been submitted. You can also collect notes. You can add documents and scan documents to this data sheet as well. We also have the ability to print the data sheet, to email the data sheet, and we can create a bid directly from the data sheet. Up at the top, we see our breadcrumbs. If we create a bid from this data sheet, it would add a bid breadcrumb so that you will always be attached to this data sheet that you've created. So that about wraps up the adding a data sheet feature to JobPro. If you have any questions, call us at 704-584-4200. 4019. Or send us an email to support@jobprotect.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.